Welcome to an unforgettable night of glamour, grace, and empowerment at the Miss International Queen 2024 pageant. Held at the world-renowned Tiffany's Show Pattaya in Chonburi, Thailand, this year's event marked the 18th anniversary of the competition. The prestigious event, which took place on 24 August 2024, brought together the most beautiful and inspiring transgender women from around the globe, each vying for the coveted crown. By the end of the night, Catalina Marzano from Peru was crowned Miss International Queen 2024 by the outgoing queen, Solange Dekker from the Netherlands. Catalina Marzano, a 32-year-old Peruvian transgender model, made history by becoming the first Peruvian to win the prestigious Miss International Queen pageant in Thailand. Her victory marked a significant milestone for the country and the transgender community. Marzano's journey to the crown was marked by her exceptional performance throughout the competition. She impressed the judges with her beauty, poise, and charisma, securing a place among the top 3 finalists. Her victory not only brought pride to Peru but also showcased the talent and diversity of the transgender community. Following her win, Marzano was awarded a substantial cash prize and a crown presented by the previous year's winner. The pageant, held at the Tiffany Theatre in Pattaya, aimed to promote the rights and acceptance of the LGBT community. Beyond her pageant success, Marzano is known for her academic background in medicine and her involvement in social activities. She has a passion for helping children and animals and has also pursued her musical interests through opera classes. As you embark on this journey through the highlights of the night, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories from around the world. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. As the final moments approached, the tension in the air was undeniable. The judges had made their decision, and the time had come to announce the winner. The top 3 finalists, Miss Peru, Miss Philippines, and Miss Thailand, stood on stage, each hoping to hear their name called. The evening began with an electrifying opening performance, setting the stage for what would be a night to remember. The Tiffany's Show Pattaya provided a stunning backdrop, filled with vibrant lights and dazzling decorations that captured the essence of beauty and transformation. The event was graced by 23 extraordinary contestants from countries as diverse as Bolivia, Brazil, Cambodia, Canada, China, Colombia, and many more. Hosted by the charismatic duo, Sadika and Luke Ishikawa, the pageant kicked off with the introduction of the contestants in their national costumes. This segment was a breathtaking display of cultural pride and creativity, with each contestant showcasing the rich heritage of their home countries. As the competition heated up, the focus shifted to the esteemed panel of judges, who had the daunting task of selecting the winner from such a talented group. The judges included distinguished personalities like Dr. T. Veerawat, the managing director of Prathunam Polyclinic, and Dr. San Varasit, the CEO of a hospital. They were joined by former Miss International Queen title holders, each bringing their unique perspective and experience to the judging process. The first special award of the night was for the Best National Costume, which was awarded to Miss Vietnam. Her intricate and beautifully designed costume was a true representation of her country's rich history and culture. Next up was the Miss Congeniality Award, which went to Miss Thailand, Saruda Pampakde. This award is given to the contestant who embodies kindness, grace, and the spirit of camaraderie. Miss Thailand also took home the Best Evening Gown Award, further solidifying her status as a fan favorite. Miss Photogenic, selected by the members of the press, was awarded to Miss Vietnam, who dazzled everyone with her poise and photogenic charm. The evening gown segment was a showcase of elegance and sophistication, with each contestant donning stunning gowns that highlighted their beauty and confidence. The audience was captivated as the contestants glided across the stage, each gown more exquisite than the last. As the segment concluded, the anticipation built up for the announcement of the top 12 finalists. The atmosphere was electric as the names were called: Miss Mexico, Miss Puerto Rico, Miss Venezuela, Miss Japan, Miss Brazil, Miss Peru, Miss Philippines, Miss Colombia, Miss Thailand, Miss USA, and Miss Vietnam. The top 12 finalists then moved on to the swimwear competition, where they showcased their physical fitness and confidence. Each contestant exuded grace and strength, proving that beauty is not just about appearance but also about self-assurance and poise. As the judges deliberated, the excitement in the theater was palpable. The audience was treated to a video montage of the contestants enjoying various activities in Thailand, highlighting the country's rich culture and natural beauty. With only 6 contestants remaining, it was time for the final question segment. This round tested the contestants' wit, wisdom, and ability to articulate their thoughts under pressure. Each contestant was asked a thought-provoking question, ranging from topics like gender equality to personal empowerment. Miss Colombia spoke passionately about the importance of kindness and resilience. Miss Peru addressed the ongoing fight for equality, emphasizing that the journey is far from over. Miss Philippines shared the power of compassion and embracing diversity. Miss Thailand eloquently discussed the importance of intersectionality and inclusivity. Miss USA spoke about removing societal limitations and embracing one's full potential. Finally, Miss Vietnam discussed the significance of self-identity and self-determination. In a moment of pure joy and emotion, Catalina Marzano from Peru was crowned Miss International Queen 2024. As the crown was placed on her head, the audience erupted in applause, celebrating a well-deserved victory. Catalina Marzano, a symbol of strength and resilience, now had the opportunity to use her platform to advocate for transgender rights and equality on a global scale. Catalina Marzano's win at Miss International Queen 2024 is more than just a personal triumph, it is a victory for transgender individuals around the world. Her journey, filled with challenges and triumphs, is a testament to the power of perseverance and self-belief. As she embarks on her reign, she carries with her the hopes and dreams of many, aiming to make the world a more inclusive and understanding place. We hope you enjoyed this incredible journey through the Miss International Queen 2024 pageant. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories from the world of beauty and beyond. And remember, by hitting that notification bell, you'll be the first to know about our latest updates and uploads. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay strong, and keep shining. Glowing Star.